Your credit score plays a significant role in determining your chance of a home loan approval and whether you can get a good interest rate or not. So let's talk about the 5 ways that you can boost your credit score in South Africa. Some of these methods will only take effect in the long term. In most cases, it would take up to 6 months, while the other methods can provide immediate boosts to your credit score. Some of them might even improve your credit score within 30 days. Before we go ahead, we obviously need to understand what is a good credit score. Your credit score ranges from 300 until 850, where 300 is obviously very bad, in the middle is average, and above 800 is excellent. Your credit score is combined with 5 metrics that determines the overall score. These are your payment history, the credit owed, the length of your payment history, new credit, and the type of credit used. By understanding this, we can almost immediately take action and focus on each and every individual category that is combined in your credit score. So the first thing that you will have to do is to actually check your credit score. And this is quite easy if you use a website like transunion.com. So you get 1 free credit check each and every year. So the best place to start is to do your first credit check. By doing this, you can track any errors or inconsistencies on your credit report. It's quite common to actually see errors and inconsistencies on credit reports, and it might be a mistake that you are not aware of. If you see mistakes, you can actually contest these mistakes if it's late payments or defaults, and this already will improve your credit score. The second thing that you need to do is to actually pay off outstanding debt. And outstanding debt has a significant impact on your credit score. If you have a large amount of outstanding debt, it would be better to pay it off as soon as possible. Start by paying off the highest interest rate debt first. The third thing that you need to do is to reduce your credit ratio. The gap between the credit limit and the amount that you owe on that credit account makes a big difference on your credit score. This is also known as the utilization rate. So for example, if you have a 20,000 Rand credit limit and you owe 10,000 Rand on that specific account, your utilization rate would be 50%. A good rule of thumb is to keep your credit utilization ratio at 30% or even lower if possible. So in the previous example, when you have a limit of 20,000 Rand and there's an outstanding amount of 10,000 Rand, when you pay extra onto that account and you reduce the outstanding debt, that will increase your credit utilization rate, and this will improve your credit score. Another thing to keep in mind is to pay off your debt before the due date. This will make a big difference in your credit score, and this is exactly what the credit bureau wants to see. Number 4 would be to settle and close accounts. If you are able to settle an account, well done for doing that, and that's already a big step towards reaching your goals. The next best thing to do is to actually close that account completely and remove unnecessary credit from your name. Having too many credit accounts will negatively impact your credit score. This signifies a high amount of borrowing. This is risky for your lenders, and rather close any unnecessary credit accounts. Number 5 would be to avoid using credit. Don't take on any new credit while you are trying to improve your credit score. Naturally, you should show restraint when using available credit. Avoid taking on any new debt or opening any new accounts. By following these 5 simple steps, you will improve your credit score tremendously. Your financial activity will reflect the way that you handle credit, and this will ultimately determine whether you are able to get approved for home loan and whether you will be able to get good terms with the lowest interest rate possible. Thank you guys for watching until the end. I hope that the content that I'm sharing is helping you in some way. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends and family, and hopefully they can actually improve their credit score, and this will get you one step closer to reaching your financial goals. I'll see you guys next time.